Hello there, welcome to another edition of our video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the steps to creating this simple and amazing flyer on your screen. So let's get started. The first thing to do is to create a blank document with size of 1280 by 1280. After that, I'll be bringing in the original design as reference, so we can use to track our progress while working on the design. So let's go. So think this is the design here. So this is the design here. I'm going to use my relative size to increase the size. Then I'm just going to lock it and hide it there. So now the next thing to do is to bring in our background. Background. Let's just bring it in. Search for the background here. The background. So I'm still looking for the background that was used for the design. So sweet. Let's get to the background. So this is the background I used for the design. So you're going to crop it into a circle, into a square shape with this square icon, this square frame here. So just click on that and then click on OK. Then I use my relative size. Note, you don't resize like this. You go to your relative size and increase to the farthest end. After that, you go back to your color filters. You want to change this purple here into blue, so you just reduce the color filters a little. So we have -60 here. After that, we're going to lock it so it does not move anyhow, and bringing it top, this top, so we can see. So the next thing we'll be adding is this tech rock C and this shape right here. So how do we do that? Let's turn this off. Go to our shape, create a shape like this, fix it somewhere here. I think this is okay. So we just add some radius to it. So I think 5 is okay. Then we reduce the opacity and then add stroke width as 1. Also change the color of the stroke width to white. Change the color of the stroke width to white, and then we have this. So we have this. So we already have this shape achieved. Then next thing, we type in the tech rock C. And just tech rock C. Then I use my capitalize. Then I'm going to bring it right here. Change the font of the tech rock C to Montserrat semi-bold. That was actually the font that was used, Montserrat semi-bold. So let's just get it here. Montserrat semi-bold. So looking for the Montserrat semi-bold. Yeah, so this is, we have the Montserrat semi-bold here. So we just kind of resize it. I think this size is okay. We'll just have to adjust this this rectangle shape we created earlier. So let's just adjust it a little. And just find a way to somehow fix this into the shape like this, something like this. And after that, let's check our progress again. We'll be adding this we are back. We'll be adding this we are back next. So now let's type in the we are back. We are first and then back. So we are back. Let's lock these two layers. So yeah, lock it so they don't move around. So let's type in the fonts text. We are back. So we have this we are right here. And after doing that, we go back to our font and change the font also to Montserrat semi-bold. We're using Montserrat throughout this design. We're using Montserrat, so we can just resize it like this and then fix it somewhere. I think we are good to go with this, so let's just add like this, and then you're going to copy this text, copy, and then edit it like this to back. Yeah, so just leave only the B will be capitalized and the others will be small letters. So let's just adjust this, trying to adjust it so we can fit. So this is our position to adjust it. So I think we are good to go with this. So the next thing, we'll be adding an effect, a glow effect to this text, the we are back. So we'll go over to our shadow quickly and then select color white and decrease the blur radius to 5. I think this is okay. You can see that it's glowing. See the way this back is glowing, the back that we have here, the way this is glowing is different from this. Looks more attractive than this, so we'll be doing the same for the we are also. So you just click on it, go to your shadow, and then enable the shadow, go over to your white color, then reduce the blur radius to 5. So now you have the same effect on both of them. So we're going to be locking it also, so we don't get misleaded. So let's check this design. The next thing is this rectangle right here. So I'll bringing that in. I'll be making the rectangle right now. So just go over to your shape, create a new shape, or better still, come over to this plus icon right here, click on shapes, and then bring in the shape. So we'll just be fixing the shape somewhere around here. The color of the shape will be somewhat around some dark blue. Having some dark blue. So we have 231468. You can also pick any other dark shade of blue. Let's use this 1C0C68. So click on OK. Then we go over to the opacity of the shape and reduce the opacity. Oh, sorry, we are reducing the stroke opacity. So we go over to the opacity of the shape and reduce it to around 40. Reduce the opacity of the shape to around 40. Go over to our stroke, give it 2, and change the stroke width to white. Let's add a little radius to the shape. So I think it should be okay. So after doing that, you go over to our opacity and decrease the opacity of the shape to 60. Yeah, so we have this. The next thing, well, let's check what we'll be typing in from the design. So see, join us now to kickstart your journey in mastering engineering drawing. So that's what we'll be typing. So let's hide this. I think this is too big, so let me re-edit it. Let's just fix it some like this. So I think this is okay. So the text, join us now to kickstart your journey in engineering drawing. So we'll be fixing this text right now into this shape. So I think this is alright. Let's go to our font and change the font to let's check my and bold. Why too bold? I don't want any breaks in the text, so just check which one is gonna fit most. without breaking. So let's check how it is here. Your journey in mastering engineering drawing. Okay, so join us now to kickstart your journey in mastering engineering drawing. So we have this like this. So this is like, so I think this is okay. We just reduce the size a little. Look at our size. Do it blue size. So we have size 39. Then go over to our line spacing, this, and increase the line spacing a little. I think this 5 is okay right here. So then over here. So this is okay now. The next thing I'll be bringing in is the image of the man that was probably the image of the student that was used in the design. This image was generated with AI, so I'll be importing the image right now. So go to my gallery. So go to my albums, check the folder that I saved the image. So I have, so this is the image right here. So just resize this image like this. Place it somewhere. Let's use our position tool to position it a little. So I think this is okay. So after doing this, the next and probably the final step is, let's check here, is to add this call to action box, this rectangle right here. Just reach out to us and the phone number. So to do that, I'm going to lock this and then go over to my shapes to get a new shape in this here and drag this over to this edge and then increase the radius probably 11, then bring it down here. So I'm going to be picking the color for the shape now. I'm picking it from that design here. So this is the color. The color code of the color is 5 sorry, let's pick this again. So the color of the color code of the color is F5091E3. So after doing that, click on our OK. Then we have this. So we'll be adjusting this with our position tool. Now adjust it to fit. After doing that, we lock it so it does not move around. Then we bring in this same shape, this shape that we wrote join us now for in random. We copy it. After copying it, we click on edit and bring it down here. So just do this. Just edit it to fit. It should be okay. So just use our position tool to position it a little. Then type in the text, reach out to us. Let's just type reach us. Then you can change the fonts. Still the same font we have been using since Montserrat semi-bold. If you still don't know how to add fonts to your Pixellab till now, you can just check our tutorial on how to add fonts to your Pixellab, add custom fonts to your Pixellab. So we'll come over to our line spacing right here and give it some spacing. This is okay. This. Then we type in the mobile number. Let's adjust this a little more. Then we type in the mobile number. Just plus 234 91 34 39 0719. Click on OK and bring it over here. Still the same font, Montserrat semi bold. So we have this right here. Just resize a little and then fix it here. So we can just increase the line spacing a little to make. Then our design is much as ready. So I'm going to export it now. The best way to save your design with high quality is to save the format here. Save this format as PNG. This here, this format right here, save it as PNG, and then this you bring it to ultra. Yeah, the dimension will be ultra, and click on save to your gallery. So although it's going to take time to save because the quality of the image is gonna be sharper than usual. So thank you for tuning in to this tutorial. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Tell us something new you learned in the comment section. Goodbye.